Hey guys, long time no chat. Well, I mean, you guys have seen videos from me, and I'm gonna have videos up. I think these are my favorite pajamas. I wash them and wear them all the time. I gotta go get some socks. I think me and Mike are gonna take a run to Tim's. Mike, actually got sick a couple weeks ago, and he had to go to the hospital because he was coughing and couldn't catch his breath and stuff, but Mike has breathing condition. He has COPD because he used to be a heavy smoker. And so he had to go to the hospital. But because of COVID and everything, they had to give him a COVID test because of the symptoms. It's just procedure. It did come out negative. He doesn't have COVID. We knew he didn't have COVID all along. We knew it was just his, his lungs and stuff and congestion. So I have a bit of a cough now as well, but I know I'm okay. So this cough's been going on and off for the last year. I think I might be developing asthma, to be quite honest with you. I gotta get checked. I gotta go see my doctor. None of this calling prescriptions over the phone. I have to actually go see my doctor. So I think we're gonna go to Tim's today because he wasn't allowed to have coffee when he was on the medication. That's kind of the story that I'm getting at. I'm putting on my socks here, so yeah, so he wasn't allowed to have coffee. So he's going to treat himself to a coffee today, and I'm going to have a tea. Well, I've been drinking tea all along anyway because I make tea I steep it in my pot here at home because I drink it through the day. Yesterday I made some bagels. I used my friend Jacqueline's recipe that she used. And it calls for Greek yogurt, so I bought some. And then I just went to look at it because it only makes 8 bagels, the recipe. Which is okay because it's only the 2 of us anyway, right? So I gave a couple away. We only have 3 left. I made them yesterday, but anyway. It calls for Greek yogurt, so I went to look to see how much Greek yogurt's left, because what I want to do is it's 2 cups of Greek yogurt in the recipe. If I can remember, if I can think about it, I'll try to remember to link it below. But I went to look at the yogurt to see if I had enough to make another batch, because what I want to do is make some batches and take them and freeze them. Like when they cool off, cut them, slice them, and then put them in like sandwich bags or Ziploc bags and freeze them. And then just if I want a bagel, I can just take it out of the freezer and toast it. Got that idea from Jacqueline too, thanks. But when I looked at today is the today's the 19th of January. When I looked at the yogurt, the expiry date on it was the 16th, and I bought it on the 14th. That's the second time at Atlantic Superstore I bought yogurt that expired within a couple days. I'm really going to have to take notice of the expiry dates when I buy stuff from now on. So I gave some. It didn't smell bad today, so it still seemed to be okay, but I gave some to the dogs because dogs can eat a little bit of yogurt. It's good for their belly. And then I just tossed the rest because I don't know when I'm going to be baking again, so yeah. Anyway, I should go get my shoes and my jacket on. It snowed out. I'll show you guys outside when I go out, but I'm going in my pajamas because I'm not going into Tim Hortons. Mike is, so I can go in my PJs. You know what? I don't think I'll wear my jacket. I think I'll just wear my fuzzy sweater coat. Oh, I'll show you guys I have to get better at rolling them. That's the thing. I'm not good at rolling them out into circles. I have to get a knack for that, but there's what the bagels look like, and they smell incredible. Mike said he'll probably have 1 or 2 for lunch today. See, when you're a diabetic though too, like white bread's not good, so I can't have a lot of them. But I did have one for breakfast with peanut butter on it, and it was delicious. So anyway, I think I'm going to put this fluffy sweater coat on, and I'll go for the little drive to Tim Hortons with Mike, I think. Alright, Mike's in Tim Hortons. See the snow? Oh, the people in the drive-thru are probably going to think that I'm creeping them. Oh, my hair is a mess. Anyway, I brushed it, but the wind, when I went outside to get in the truck, the wind went whoosh and blew my hair all over the place. Oh, story of my life. So yeah, I'm so used to drinking tea at home now that when I drink Tim's, it tastes different to me because I've been drinking tea at home. Pretty much drink, like I said, a kettle a day. I'm back and forth to the teapot. I got my kettle all warmed up at home and teapot all warmed up at home now, but it's just water in it right now because I was like, oh, I still have like a little bit and a full bottle of the peppermint mocha creamer. That's how often I drink coffee, and I bought 2 of them when I found them in November because I wanted to make sure I had some through the holidays, and then I kind of, like I said, I don't drink coffee very often. So we're going to make a quick stop to Canadian Tire too because Mike has to book an appointment. I don't know if I have peanut butter on my face. If I do, I apologize. My face just feels weird. I didn't wash my face yet. When I go home and have my tea, I'll sit down and have my tea, and then I'll get up and wash my face and stuff. I want to record a video of, well, I was going to do my BoxyCharm today, but it's still in Halifax. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a full face of Nothing New, so I'm going to do that. So that'll probably be up maybe before this video. I'm not sure what I'm doing. But I got videos. Today's January 19th. I got my videos for the end, up till the end of January already, pretty much. And then I'm gonna move into February. I'm playing around with the idea of doing 3 videos a week, but I don't know. Maybe every now and then I'll have an extra one, because maybe every now and then I'll do a vlog like this. Whoa, the snow's really starting to come down. Okay, today's gonna be a cozy day at home, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna have my tea, and then I'm gonna wash my face and do all my grooming, brush my teeth, all that stuff, and then I'm going to record, I think. I kind of wish my BoxyCharm had came today, but it's stuck in Halifax. I didn't even get a tracking number. I had to go on BoxyCharm's site and the tracking number was there. Uh-oh. Sorry, I cut off there right quick, but Mike came out because I ordered a donut. I ordered on the app, the Tim's app, and the donut that I wanted, it's not down. Their system's down. I mean, the donut that I wanted is not there. I know I shouldn't have a donut, but I want a little treat today. I've been doing really good not eating like a lot of stuff. I like to have something sweet with my tea in the morning every now and then, so. I love this fuzzy sweater. I'm wearing pajamas out here. I look like pajamas in the truck. But I have this cozy, Mike got me this for Christmas at Blue Notes, and it's cozy, cozy, cozy. I love it. Anyway, I'm rambling. I will talk to you guys when something a little more exciting is happening, but I can't see anything exciting happening because this is basically going to be a day at home. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. This is the aftermath of filming. Yep, I did a full face of Nothing New. So I recorded a full face of Nothing New. This is how it turned out. You guys will see the video. I don't know if it's going to be up before or after this one. I have no idea. I'm just recording in general. So here's what it looks like in natural light. Pretty cute, huh? I just did a little pop of color. I did a very, very neutral eyes, and I did a pop of color under the eyes. So, yeah. Oh, I'm eating my hair. That's not good. Anyway, that's what I did. So, I thought I'd show you guys since I showed you guys what it looked like. My desk is all clean now, though. See? So, that's all good. These two just scared me half to death. I was eating a bagel for breakfast, and she was eating one of her cookies, and Cassie was snooping around it. She tries to get the crumbs. I heard Star growl. I wasn't watching what they were doing. I heard Star growl, and I heard Cassie yelp. And Cassie went down to the office. She's okay. I checked her over. There's nothing wrong. But I don't like it when you two fight. You just gotta stop. And Star knows she did something wrong because every time Cassie coughs or moves, she looks over at her. You gotta leave your sister alone, but I know she has to stop bugging you for her cookies, for your cookies too. But you're a lot younger than Cassie, and your teeth are sharper. Yeah, you can't lose your patience, honey. You've been being so good with her and so patient, and today you just snapped, didn't you? I don't like that. That never happens. You gonna be nice to Cassie? You're gonna be nice? You're almost gonna have mommy in tears because I don't like it when you fight. Cassie. Cassie's mad, I think. It's okay, baby. I think I'm gonna make some bread today, but yeah, the dog's got me really messed up right now because I don't like it when they fight and it makes me upset. And they don't usually do it. That's probably only about, I've lived down here with Cassie for almost 4 years, and they've maybe only done that, and it's been always over food, maybe 3 times. But Star knows that she did wrong. She really does. I can tell by the way she's acting. But Cassie shouldn't be tormenting her either. But, I mean, they're dogs. They don't understand. It's just food involved. And see, Cassie eats her treats right away. Star hides hers in her bed and takes them out through the day. But yeah, they got me all upset right now. But I'll calm down. And the bird's going on. I don't even feel like getting dressed today, but I gotta change my pajamas at least in a little bit. Maybe get a shower, and then I'll just put fresh pajamas on because I'm not doing anything. I just finished doing my makeup. I'm challenging myself to do my makeup every day of the week. I got a shower and I baked some bread. I'm going to show you guys my bread. It just came out of the oven. Here's what the 2 loaves of bread look like. They just came out of the oven. I will link, if I remember, link it below, the recipe that I use, because it's in a YouTube video. So they smell incredible and they look incredible. Now when these cool off, I'm going to freeze 1 loaf, I think. Alright, so that is my bread. So today's look, I kind of did a pretty natural look. I used my Charlotte Tilbury palette, my Pillow Talk palette, and I just did very natural makeup. And, well, the eyeliner is a little heavy, I guess. And, Rare Beauty lip, which is probably on my teeth. So, excuse me if it is. I just had a drink of tea, so it's going to splash everywhere. Ooh, lighting bad. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, I took off my makeup, or most of it, because it's getting close to supper time. I'm just gonna make some hamburgers in our Big Boss tonight for supper. Just something easy peasy. That's just what I'm feeling in the mood for. Have some cheese, so I'll have cheeseburgers, I guess. But I got some stuff accomplished today. I made homemade bread, and I cleaned my makeup brushes. So time to rotate in some new ones and take out some of the old ones. Well, they're not old because I got a whole set of Morphe brushes. Then I got a set of Luxie brushes from BoxyCharm in December that I haven't touched yet. So I want to try to use those brushes. Put my Morphe ones away for a bit. And I rotate brushes in and out, especially eye brushes. And I have some that I have packed away that I'm going to give to one of my cousins. I have some makeup packed away too. I've been doing a little bit of decluttering behind the scenes. I didn't want to do it online because I don't always like doing declutter videos. I don't like to film them that much. But it's just mostly palettes that I did. So maybe I'll do a video. Like, would you guys be interested in doing a video of me showing stuff that I'm decluttering instead of actually going through my collection and decluttering stuff? I don't know. Anyway, there's a couple face palettes that I'm going to give away because I haven't been using them, so why let them go to waste? And then I got a couple of eyeshadow palettes. Hi, Tigger. Anyway, I think I'm going to end this vlog off here. I've been vlogging for a couple of days now. Get comfy. Yeah, lay right on my boobs. He likes to lay on my boobs. But yeah, I'm going to go and I'm going to get ready to make supper, and I'm going to end this now. I've been vlogging for a couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will talk to you guys all soon.